In today's video, guys, I'm going to show you a CPA method that you can do with affiliate marketing where you can make $100 per phone call. That's right, you heard me right. I said per phone call, $100. Well, if this sounds like a good method to you that you think you'd want to see, well, you want to stick around and see this whole video because we're going to get started on it here right now. But first of all, like I always do for people that are new to my videos, before we get started here, reach down there below your video and click that subscribe button. And don't forget to click the little notification bell there right beside it so that you can get notified and be the first to come and take advantage of new videos that I upload, such as this one, each time I upload. Alrighty? Well, guys, with that out of the way, I'm anxious to show this method to you. It's really good, and you should be able to make some really good money if you take advantage of this method, take some action on it. So the first site we want to come over here to, guys, is this site right here. As you can see, it's called Offer Vault. You see it right here, guys. Look up here in the address bar. It's offervault.com. Now, some of you may have come to this site. Now, some of you may know about this site, and some may not. This is a CPA site or network. There are many CPA networks like Max Bounty and lots of many others, but this one here is the one we're going to be using today. So you want to come over here to Offer Vault. Now, notice what I'm doing here. They have lots of different offers here. Now, these offers with CPA, I mean, a lot of times you can make some really good money with just an email address. If someone signs up on a form, you can get paid. I mean, CPA marketing is basically, it's cost per action is what CPA stands for. So you get paid per action that someone does, okay? So I'm going to show you a really good one here today. Now this one here, notice what I'm coming up here in the search engine. I'm going to type in debt relief, right? And then you see I press enter, and debt relief, it brings up all of these debt relief things here. And debt relief is people have gotten into debt today, particularly because of this COVID stuff, okay? I mean, there are people that we know who have lost their jobs. They've maxed out their credit cards and they've gotten into some deep debt. Well, we're going to help them today, and we're going to help them and make a good, tidy profit ourselves. So the one that I want to pay attention to, there's quite a few of them down through here that you can work with, but the one I want to pay attention to is this one right here, is IRS tax debt relief inbounds only US. Now this one here is for the US, so when you click on it, it brings you over and tells you a little bit about it. This one is for the United States, but if you look back down that list, you'll find other ones that are good for your country too, probably, okay? So you just want to find one that is good, that'll work in your country. Now, even so, if somebody from a different country was to click on your affiliate link, it might just redirect them to the offer in their country. All right, so you may be okay that way too, but it's good to check and see. So this one here I'm starting to show you here today, I'm starting with this, it is based in the US, as you see right here. You can see that it's $100 per CPA, or cost per action. And what is that action, guys? Look right here. It's pay per call. For one phone call, you get $100. That's pretty good money there, guys. So, for example, if we want to preview the landing page, is you can come over and click on it and preview the landing page, and all they have to do is click here and make that phone call, and you will make $100. As you can see, it's a pretty good landing page. It's got some really easy, simple information that they can learn about, and a little bit about debt relief and so on and so forth. So it's a really good offer, I believe, here. Now, to sign up for this offer, what you want to do is you want to click down here where it says run the offer. So when we click on that, it brings you over, and you can see that it's the Aragon Advertising Group that runs the advertising for this particular CPA thing for tax relief. All right, so what you want to do is you want to sign up for this affiliate network here, and you want to fill out their form here, put your first name, and everywhere that you see the asterisk is what's required. Anything you don't see the asterisk on is not required. And then just select your country, fill it out, put your name, last name, email, and website URL, and so on and so forth. My guess is they probably will pay you by PayPal, I would imagine. So you want to use your PayPal email address here where it says email, okay? and then put in all this other required information here as it comes down, and you're going to select here what instant messenger do you prefer. Well, just you can use Skype or Telegram as the choices here, and then give them your screen name and how long have you been doing affiliate marketing. You can put 0 to 3 months or anywhere in here, doesn't make any matter. Just fill out this and then click on join our network right here. So you can just click on this right here after you fill out the form, right up here where you see my mouse is, guys, and click there, join the network, get your affiliate link, and then once you have your affiliate link to the product, the debt relief product, now how are you going to market this? Well, what we're going to do is one thing I can show you. I'm going to show you a couple of places that this is really good. So what you're going to do first is you're going to come over to Facebook over here, and you notice that I'm logged into my Facebook account, and I clicked on groups right here, guys. And if you'll notice over here on the search engine on the left right here, I typed in debt relief. And look at all of these groups, guys, that came up right here. These groups have thousands of members in them, all about relieving debt. Look at this. There are a lot of people, particularly today because of the COVID stuff, that want help in getting out of debt. They've racked up their credit cards and they need help. And you can see that here is lots of members, thousands of members. I mean, right here, this one's got 11,000 members in it. We're called Ditch Your Debt. What you want to do, guys, you want to sign up to as many of these groups on Facebook in debt relief that you can. And what you can do, I mean, there's other kinds of keywords you can use here too, not just debt relief. You could use get rid of debt. You could use help with debt. You could type any keywords you can think of into the search engine and probably find groups that have to do with that if you need more to market to. Now, how are you going to market this? You're going to join these groups is what you're going to do this, and then what you're going to do is you're going to give them this right here. I wrote this up for you right here, guys, and this is what you're going to write. You're going to post this as a comment in the group, in each one of these groups. You're going to say, it says, notice, if you want a debt-free life and are able to meet even one of these 3 requirements, I will share my secret with you. And here's the 3. Number 1, you want to be debt-free today. Number 2, you have $3,000 or more in debt. And number 3, you want to live a debt-free life once it's relieved. And then it said down here, it says comment info below if you meet any one of these requirements. So what's going to happen is, guys, is they're going to comment info in the comment section below your post. And then what you're going to do is you're going to send them your affiliate link and maybe a few words about thank you for inquiring about how to get out of debt fast and be debt free today. Here is this link. Follow this link right here is to my secret way to get out of debt. And when you do, that will bring them over to this particular page right here, guys. And if they make that phone call, that's all it is. If they make that phone call, you're going to make $100 per phone call. That's all it takes. They don't even have to sign up, guys. All they need to do is to make that phone call, and you're going to get paid because it came through your affiliate link. Alrighty? And that's a really good thing. Now, that's one place you can market it, is Facebook. The other one is, how about here? Another one would be good. I come over here to Microsoft search engine, Microsoft Bing, you see here, and you can do this in Google or any search, it doesn't matter. And I typed in classified sites up here, guys. What about that? And look, here's all the top classified sites right here in the United States. These will also work all over the world. It doesn't make any difference. And just sign up on these classified sites and post in your notice or your information like this right here. You might have to change this up a little bit down here, but they're going to post this same type of thing into the classified ad when you post your classified ad on the classified sites. That will help drive lots of traffic. You want to choose the financial services industry, or however, anything that's related to finance in the classified sites, and that will drive traffic to your affiliate link. And all they need to do, guys, is just make a simple phone call, and you're going to make $100. Guys, that's the simple easy, really good method that I had for you today. If you like this method, reach down there and give me a thumbs up. It'll help my channel and help the YouTube algorithm as well. Also, don't forget to hit that subscribe button down there and click that notification bell. And if you have any comments or questions about this video, just reach down there below and put your comment there, and I'll get back with you on that as soon as I can. And if you want to see my #1 recommended affiliate platform and see a free presentation, a free video presentation that'll show you and reveal to you the formula on how you can become a high ticket affiliate marketer where you can make up to $1,000 in one day or more possibility. Alrighty, well guys, I'm going to let you with that. What you want to do is click down there at the top of my description where it says mentorwithkev.com and come over and see how you can learn how to be a high ticket affiliate marketer. Well guys, I'm going to leave you with that, and I'll see you again here in a couple of days or so on the next exciting money making video. You guys take care. Have a great day. Bye bye now.